Many people are asking how to create a half-face text effect for free and without any difficulty. Some say you can only do this if you have heavy software and you need to learn advanced skills before you can make it. But that's where they're wrong, because you can create the half-face text effect for free and you don't need to study for days, weeks, or months just to do it. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you the super easy process of making this effect. If you're ready to learn, make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important information. Let's get started. First, open your Canva and click Custom Size. Then just type in your preferred size for the width and height. For this video tutorial, I used a sample size of 11 by 13. Then once you're done, click Create New Design. Next, we are going to insert our image. Once the editing section opens, look at the left side and you'll see Uploads. Click that, then select Upload Files and choose the image you want to apply the text effect to for your half-face effect. Then resize it to fill your editing page. Next, we'll add our portrait text. Once your image is set, go to the left side and click Text. Then just type the text you want for your half-face effect. In this video tutorial, the text I'll use is, "Don't stop until you are proud." Then highlight your text and choose a thick or bold font so the image layer will show better. For this part, I chose the font Anton. Once that's done, highlight the text again and click this tool to reduce the line spacing. Then click the Align Text tool and align it to the left. Adjust your text portrait right on top of the image you're working on. Make sure it's properly aligned and that the half image is maximized inside the text. Once everything looks good, add a new page. Hold Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy and Ctrl-V to paste so the position stays the same when we apply it to the image. Once done, go to the right side, click Share, then Download. And select the page where you pasted the text portrait. Then click Download. Next, we're going to combine your half-face image with your text portrait. But before we get to the exciting part, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can watch more of my uploaded videos. Thank you. Now let's go back to Canva. On the left side, click Apps. Search for Blender Image. And select that app. Our image will be placed on the bottom layer and our portrait text will be placed on the top layer. So on the bottom layer, click Choose File and select your image. On the top layer, click Choose File again and select the text portrait that you downloaded earlier. And there you go. Your half-face text effect portrait is automatically created using only Canva. Click Add to Design so it gets added to your editing page. Next, drag it to cover your entire image so the image blender aligns perfectly with your main image. Then crop the remaining white area or space like this. Adjust the cropping to see if the blended image matches your main image perfectly. Once everything is aligned, just add a little white detail like this. And the last step is to remove the background from your main image. And now you have your half-face text effect portrait using Canva. And if you're not using Canva Pro and can't use the background remover, I have a tip for you. Just click my next video to learn how to remove background for free. See you on my next tutorial video.